Monday MAST Family.
I'm Solomon.
And I'm Jada, and we're your student news
anchors at MAST on
Monday mornings. This week, our guest anchor is Devonte White. Remember, all prize winners from school-wide meetings will be picked up right after announcements. All prize winners must pick up their prize by the end of the day, or you will forfeit your winnings.
Congratulations to the winners Tatiana, Jaden, Israel, and Steven for winning MAST Monday morning meetings prizes. Remember, all you have to do is be on time for first period and sign into the bit.ly MAST Monday mornings meeting.
Be reminded that spring break begins on April 6th through April 14th, and class will also resume on Monday, April 17th.
Birthday shoutouts! Remember to use the bit.ly to let us know your birthday so we can highlight in our weekly shoutouts. bit.ly/Purple Prince B-Day shoutouts.
On the 2nd, we have Aminata S. On the 18th, we have Erica R. On the 18th as well, we have Marley P. And on the 19th, we have Brandon R.
Hey class of 2023, we're here to inform you about our up-and-coming senior trip to Dave & Buster's on April 5th. We'll be leaving the school at 10 a.m., so please be sure to make it on time.
The cost of the trip is $30, which includes a $20 power card and a $5 video game card with additional game purchases available.
Food will be included in the price. Payment must be due by April 5th to AP Slinger and Miss Middleton in cash.
Hope to see you there.
Senior, peace out.
Let's go, Panthers!
The annual staff versus student competition has been postponed to Friday, April 28th, 2023.
Momentum for the 10th graders will take place on Tuesday and Wednesday, April 25th and April the 26th.
Shout out to all the chaperones who participated in the peak trip. Mr. Singh, Mrs. Azenwa, Mr. Mazzoli, and Miss Walker. We appreciate you.
A happy
Ramadan Kareem!
Ramadan began Wednesday, March 22nd, 2023 and concludes on Friday, April 21st, 2023.
Let's be mindful and supportive of our scholars who are observing Ramadan through prayer and fasting. School will be closed on Friday, April 21st, 2023 in observance of Eid. Make sure to be prepared for Advisory Choice Game Day. Due to student versus staff competition being postponed, advisors will get the chance to choose what activity will take place on Wednesday, April 5th, 2023. Examples of some activities will be watching a movie, playing board games, a gaming competition, a chess competition, or an etc. There will be no Saturday school until Saturday, April 29th, 2023.
English SAT prep sessions are every Tuesday in room 208 with Mr. Mazzoli from 3:15 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. PSAT and SAT day at MAST.
SYP is back, and the next Summer Youth Employment meeting will take place this Friday in room 211, immediately after school at 2 p.m. with Mr. Tislon. Need more info? Check with AP Slinger or Miss Law. Check your ELA Google Classroom for a link to apply before the deadline.
ENL ELA Regents Prep is every Friday at 2 p.m. sharp with Miss Marston for all registered students in room 207.
Are you interested in auditioning to be our school mascot? Sign up using our bit.ly/Mascot Spring 2023. Your first job will be to perform at our annual staff versus student game on April 28th. Good luck.
You can be the next guest anchor at MAST Monday morning announcements. If you are interested in volunteering to be our next guest anchor, sign up using the link bit.ly/guest anchor.
Do you need help in geometry? Geo tutoring is every Tuesday with Miss Ishrat in room 214 at 3:15 p.m.
PSAT and SAT are taking place Tuesday, April 25th, 2023. If you are a 9th grader, 10th grader, or an 11th grader, you will receive an invitation with specific testing information.
The new basketball club meets every weekday Monday through Friday from 7:40 a.m. to 8:20 a.m. in the main gym with Mr. G.
Due to there being no math tutoring on Saturday, April 1st, 2023, the makeup session will take place this week, Tuesday, April the 4th, in room 204 at 3:15 p.m. Shout out to all scholars who showed up for social studies and science Regents Prep. You rock! Congratulations to the winners of the parent survey for winning the student raffle.
Swimming and lifeguard training sessions are from 3:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. every Wednesday and Thursday.
Are you interested in learning to play chess or participate in a trivia tournament? Join the after-school club that meets every Wednesday at 3:15 p.m. to 4:15 p.m. in room 223 and Friday during 5th period in room 223 with Mr. McCoy.
Seniors, have you completed your FAFSA?
You must complete your financial application in order to attend the college or university you're accepted into.
FAFSA sessions will resume Thursday, April 17th.
Remember to check out our Instagram page for dates for PSAL games.
Please be reminded that PM school and after-school tutoring are available from 3:15 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. On Mondays with Mr. McCoy, we have science in room 223. On Tuesdays with Mrs. Zenwa, we have math in room 204. On Wednesdays with Miss Whitehall, we have ELA in room 219. And lastly, on Thursdays with Mrs. Santoro, we have social studies with room 107.
All students who are interested in the CSTEP 4AM University program, please confirm that you submitted your application with Dr. E, who will be here on Thursday and Friday for individual check-in meetings.